How is vehicle damage assessed? If you have ever wondered how vehicle damage is assessed after an accident, you are in the right place. Understanding this process can help you navigate the auto insurance claims process with ease. Vehicle damage assessment is a systematic approach to determine how much damage a vehicle has sustained and estimate repair costs. This is essential for insurance claims, as it helps the insurance company decide on compensation. The assessment typically starts with a qualified professional, like an insurance adjuster or an appraiser. They will conduct a thorough visual inspection of the vehicle, looking at both the exterior and interior. During this inspection, they will note all visible damage, such as dents, scratches, broken lights, cracked windshields, and damaged body panels. They will also check less obvious areas, like the undercarriage, to identify any hidden or structural damage that could impact the vehicle's safety and functionality. As part of this process, detailed photographs are taken from multiple angles to accurately document the damage. These images are crucial for creating a comprehensive report that lists all the damaged parts and outlines the necessary repairs. The report will also include an estimate of repair costs based on the vehicle's make, model, and condition. Once the initial inspection is complete, an estimate is prepared. This estimate details the parts and labor required to restore the vehicle. The insurance company will use this estimate to determine the payout amount. If the cost to repair the vehicle is close to or exceeds its actual cash value, which is the market value before the accident, the insurer may declare it a total loss. In this case, they will offer a settlement based on that value instead of repair costs. If additional damage is discovered during repairs, the repair shop must notify the insurance company to obtain approval for any extra costs. The insurance company may send an adjuster to reassess the vehicle before authorizing further repairs. From the perspective of car insurance, this process ensures that claims are handled fairly. It guarantees that payments correspond to the actual damage and repair needs. As a policyholder, you can also provide evidence, such as photos, prior maintenance records, or independent repair estimates, to contest or supplement the insurer's assessment if you feel it is lacking. In summary, vehicle damage assessment involves a detailed inspection, thorough documentation, cost estimation, and ongoing communication between the repair shop and the insurance company. This process helps ensure accurate and fair claim settlements, making it easier for you to get back on the road after an accident.